we're starting with an idea that we have been seeing in many high-end decor stores and magazines. It's a bristled and knotted witch's broom, only it has lights. It's a fun statement in a Halloween display. It also, if you're shopping at retail, comes with a really high price tag, but we knew it could be done for less and with a creative twist, and we knew just who to ask. Creative contributor Michelle Crowley is here to share her take on the hot trend. She's got her witch's broom in hand. We're not making any implications by that accessory or prop that you happen to have to your left.
No, I actually wanted to be a witch when I was a kid.
Okay. Oh, you did?
I wanted to be able to fly.
Oh, yeah.
So I actually had dreams of being a witch.
You did?
Yes.
Some people dream of being a pretty princess.
Taking me back to,
you dreamed of being a witch.
I wanted to fly. Yeah.
It's actually funny. I've introduced my daughters to the Wicked soundtrack in the last month, and anyway, yeah, and there's dreams.
There's dreams. You can only cannot dream, right?
This is so cool. You recreated it. You gave it your own creative spin. What did you like about this project?
Okay, so when I was deciding to do a broom, and I get on Pinterest, right? And you look and you see all the things, and I was like, oh, these are fun, but they're a little bit kind of boring. And I'm like, if I were a witch, I would be a bougie witch. So I'm gonna do color. I'm not wearing black. I'm not doing ugly, macabre, right? I'm gonna be like,
I don't know why, but in the last year I've started to cement on things that I never thought I would say or hear said on TV. If I'm going to be a witch, I'm going to be a bougie one. I'm going to go all out.
I'm going all out and over the top.
Awesome.
So this is what I came up with.
So fun. It's got personality.
It's got sparkle, and it was super easy to make. I say that all the time, but it really super, super easy. So
all right. The witch's broom of your 7-year-old dreams. Do you want me to hold it for you, or what?
And I do have to show this too. We even put like a finial on the end.
Let's come to studio. A finial
on the end, because more is better.
Yeah, and you got to make a statement if you're throwing that baby down and hitting the sky.
I mean, if I'm going to fly, I've got streamers. I've got, I got the whole thing.
Okay, let me hold this for you.
But also great on the porch, because realistically, I'm not going to fly anywhere with that thing.
Can I prop it?
Yes, let's prop it. Yep,
let's prop it. What do we need to make one just like this?
So I used faux floral picks, and
keep talking.
You can buy them black.
Okay.
These came from Joann's, and they were on 60% off clearance, right?
Oh, nice.
So that's the deal. But if you can't find black, all you need to do is just get any faux floral, and this one is gold, but you just spray paint it.
Okay.
So this was what the original, just spray paint it black.
This is your broom. This is the actual
So
bristle.
this is the actual bristles.
Yeah.
So all we need is the faux picks and some electrical tape.
Okay.
So you're going to take your electrical tape, and you're just going to twist it together like you would a flower bouquet, basically. So we're just going to bring it here, and you're going to take your tape. This electrical tape works so great because it's pretty strong, and then it also, and it just really adheres well, right?
I pulled it out the other day to affix some crows to our front porch.
Oh, and it probably worked great.
It worked great, and after the crows were in proper place, my daughter said, how long did that take you to color the tape? She thought I went through with a Sharpie and
you should have told her you did.
I should have. I'm into Halloween.
She would have been so impressed.
I know.
She would have been. So see how we're just twisting? That's it. That's all we're going to do. And you just keep adding.
It's fun with the different textures, too. Like, you don't just need the straight up and down bristle.
That's why I wanted to do it this way, because I thought I want a variety. So I'm using 3 different.
I want a bougie broom.
I want a bougie broom. So I'm using 3 different
you've got some
textures. And then to add in, you can just, this is really important, bolt cutters.
Woman at work.
Yep. And then you can just start sticking if you want to fill in some spaces.
Okay, to fluff it out.
Right, that's it.
Great.
Okay, so then we're gonna cut down our end.
So far your promise of easy and simple is holding true.
It's holding true.
Yes.
Okay, so here I'm going to.
Do you need the stem or you?
I don't, I need some of the stem. That's why I cut these ones shorter.
Okay.
I pre-cut those shorter. This one, I need a little bit longer, and I'm gonna show you why, because this is how it's going to adhere.
Like an inch or, here,
right.
Let me be helpful.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
And now we have, right over here in the corner.
Yes. Oh, here it comes. Oh, it's a real branch?
It's a real branch.
You're legit.
Legit. Aspen trees are great for this because they're softwood, so they're easy to cut, like just with choppers. And they're relatively straight, but you have kind of the knots and the, you're right. And see how I drilled in the top? All you do,
hole.
just a drill.
Yep.
Straight in.
Okay.
That's all you need.
Now it's attached.
There we go, yeah. And now this is just gonna pop right down inside there.
How fun is this?
Then just take that tape and keep twisting it until you're twisted. And of course, this one's kind of wimpy looking because I would add all these.
You'd go big.
I'd go big. I'm going to add them all in. But that's just going to twist. Because I'm a bougie witch.
I'm going to say that as many times as I can.
There you go. So that's going to now just hold it on. So then...
Now the party really starts.
Then you can just decorate it.
Yeah.
And this is all personal preference, right? You can get in here. I'm going to come across you.
Yeah.
I decided I wanted colorful ribbon because that's my personality. But if you want all black
let's
or whatever.
How did you wrap it?
I just wrapped the ribbon around.
Oh, it's exposed. I see the branch
Yeah,
now.
you can see the branch.
Okay.
It's exposed. So I just wrapped the ribbon around.
Okay.
And just used tape.
I just taped it down.
Yeah, double-sided tape.
And then as we do our front door wreaths, you just grouped a bunch of ribbons.
Yep, just the same way you do it. Just a bunch of ribbons and use a zip tie. Oh, and then this little guy. Can you see him? Adding to our bougie.
Oh, you've got a mascot.
It's a little spider. And all it is I brought one here.
Somewhere in our fun collection.
It's a napkin ring.
Oh, no way.
And I just cut the napkin ring.
And wrapped it right around.
Yeah. And then I just wrapped it around the base.
Clever, Michelle. Okay, now the lights, I think, are the most fun effect.
So just your little twinkle lights.
Oh, and they blink.
And they blink.
Mine don't blink. Why don't mine blink?
Because you got the wrong ones.
I got the wrong ones. Darn it, Amazon.
Look at this one. You can it has all kinds of patterns.
You got the bougie ones.
I got the bougie ones. So
Okay,
then I'm just going to take the little thing, and it's just honestly shoved down inside there.
Okay, and wrap it.
And then
twist
you just kind of shove them in there.
This is easy. If I don't have
easy.
an aspen tree that I feel brave enough to chop, can I use what?
Oh, you can use it.
Broom handle?
You can use a broom handle. You could just go to the hardware store and get a dowel.
Oh, sure.
Just a plain dowel.
This is so fun. A fun accessory to prop by the porch. It becomes part of your Halloween porch or inside as well.
You can make this in less than an hour.
Less than an hour.
Half
and
hour,
cost,
probably
would you
tops.
say? Because the ones online.
So because I bought my florals 60% off.
Yes.
I think the whole thing probably cost me $40.
Way to go. Way to go. Childhood dreams come true on Studio 5.
Except for I still can't fly. But
okay.
Hold
We'll
me out
work
for
on
that.
that next time. Thank you so much, Michelle.
Thank you.
Where can we get fun project inspiration from you?
MichellesDesignLife.com and Michelle's Design Life on Instagram.
You inspire us in the most fun ways. So
Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
You too.